너무 귀엽다.
We have a bar at the fifth floor, 4 p.m. open until midnight. Okay, it's your freebie.
어. 막상 들어오니까 편해가지고 그냥 오늘은 쉬다가 아마 여기 호스텔에서 하는 무료 술 먹으러 올라갈 것 같습니다. 워낙 계획이 없으니까 쉬고 싶을 때 쉬고 놀고 싶을 때 놀고 어제 너무 늦게 들어가서 비니아도 조금 쉬고 싶어하는 것 같고 저도 쉬는 게 아무래도 몸에는 더 나으니까 좀 더 쉬겠습니다. 잠을 너무 많이 자가지고 지금 거의 6시 다 됐는데 밥 먹고 옥상 가서 술 좀 먹지 않을까. You want it? Dinner?
You want medicine?
Yes, but not now.
No time.
You want noodles?
Wait.
Shirin and egg.
Okay. Yeah. My feet tan.
Me too.
Yes.
오늘은 그냥 쉬기로 했고 저는 잘 것 같습니다. 빨래 맡기고 자면 될 것 같고 오늘은 그냥 쉬는 날로 이 쉬는 날이 필요합니다. 매일 놀 순 없어.
How are you?
Oh, I'm good. I'm Pedia.
Hello. How are you?
Good.
I haven't tried this yet. I want to.
This is like 50 cents per ride.
Super cheap. I haven't slept nothing.
No.
Nothing.
But it's what time is it in Spain?
In Spain, like 1 in the morning.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's you should go sleep now. Maybe you can sleep now.
Yes, I will. I hope. Maybe.
I think it's 2 hours drive.
Yes.
Yeah. Still so tired.
This one I have them fiber new material. You can touch and feel this one. It's a soap. Yeah.
아, 웰컴 드링크. 그냥 물 마신데?
You can see this one. The cotton. It's you can wear it the button. 10 seconds.
So now we stand here.
이제 시작인 것 같습니다. 처음에는 이게 싸니까 돈 좀 쓰게끔 만든 것 같고 베트남도 공기가 안 좋은가 보다. 헐.
It doesn't bite.
Don't bite. Yeah, very gentle. You like to keep protected?
Can I?
Yeah.
Ostras, Julián.
야, 이 겁없는 자식들.
Qué mal rollo. Someone want to?
No. I want it.
Okay.
I don't want to do weird movements.
Go. 바나나.
What is this?
Honey.
Are you eat it together? Or?
티.
Ah.
감기에 좋을라나? 뭐?
Where are you from?
We are from Japan.
Ah, nice.
예.
You're from?
Finland?
Finland.
Yes.
Spain?
Spain. That's so cool.
Maybe good for your throat.
Yes.
How long have you stayed in Vietnam?
It's my third day and maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Yeah.
Same. I arrived 2 days ago, and this is my first place I've been here, so I'm going now to the north.
Oh,
Okay. And you?
it's our second day.
Oh, nice.
Maybe four or 3 days.
Where are you going next?
No, I undecided.
Ah, okay. Are you backpacking?
Yes.
Yes. Ah, nice.
Like, how much would be a hostel in South Korea for one night? Like a normal one for a
Hostels
backpacker?
are a little bit expensive, but food and like metro is okay price. But I pay maybe 15 euros per night for hostel, sometimes 20. I don't cook.
Here we enjoy the pineapple.
Piña?
Piña.
비냐?
Dạ, nhóm được ca tài tử xin trân trọng và là tiên đà chớ có cha trời quê
Have you tried the dragon?
드디어 가는 것 같습니다. 우리가 원하던 곳 작은 보트 탄다고 해가지고 아마 맞을 것 같습니다. 엄청 작다. Very very small boat.
Italian? Three people, one boat. One boat, 3 people. Đúng không? Hey.
우와.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Ở ra nè, ra ngoài ra
You okay?
Yes. 야, 여길 그냥 올라가? Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you give tip?
No, because I have small, only big.
Yeah.
And you?
I gave 7,000.
7,000. 코코넛으로 캔디 만드는 건가?
I want to try that.
Yeah.
Good?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good paper.
Good paper. Rice
Good,
paper. Thank you. 여긴 어디지? 점심 먹나? 지금 몇 시지? 11시 40분.
Maybe no vegetarian food.
No?
I don't know. I'm
Veg.
pescatarian. Like it's vegetarian with seafood.
와우. 맥이야?
Meter la mano.
징그러울 정도로 많은데.
Why are they all here?
I think they're
Madre de Dios.
Do you know what fish is?
Korean name Maggie? I don't know.
This is the catfish?
Ah.
야 너무 많은 거 아니야? 야, 난 뭐 한두 마리 있을 줄 알았는데 뭐 이렇게 많네.
What is crocodile in Korean?
악어.
Cocodrilo.
Yes, 악어. 주진 않아.
There's just mouth open right now. Yeah.
How should I do this?
Take the stick and start feeding.
¿Qué haces en el becano? Mira, ve, capitán. ¡Ay! Vamos. Qué guapo, tío.
Very quick. One more.
One more.
One more.
Mira, ve, capitán. Oye. Arriba. I don't know what. Ya para allá. What can I do? Ahí está. Thank you.
Good? 악어 밥 주고 이제 우리 밥 먹을 시간.
One more chicken.
언제 먹지?
Oscar! Wait. So 1 p.m. 15.
1:15 are here. Okay.
1시 15분까지 일로 오면 될 것 같습니다. 그동안 그냥 자유롭게 구경하라고.
Yeah, I will just until I have 25 minutes. Try?
오케이. 오. not
You? Comfy? We will wake you up.
Where is
Carlos?
our keep this? 가자 집으로. 끝난 줄 알았는데 템플 투어가 또 있었어. 이 정도면 가성비가 맞다. 아, 이 카메라에는 엄청 작게 보이는데.
Yeah. 사랑해, 부자.
One, two, three. Okay, thank you. Nada. I'm going to take my backpack to the other place. And if you wanna do something,
Yeah, we can text later.
See you.
See you.
Thank you for today.
Thank you. Do you want to eat now or later?
Okay, eat now, but I will go pee first. 밥은 먹고 호스텔로 가겠습니다. 아, 이 코가 막히니까 머리가 아프네. 결국 병원 방문. 오케이. 오케이.
3 times.
Yes, yes. 1 day, 3 times.
You don't like matcha?
Yes, I don't like matcha. You love ice cream.
Yes.
If you want to go tomorrow, you need to book flight advance tonight.
Yeah, we know. We will talk about it.
Okay, so let me know about the time you want.
안 찍으려고 그랬는데 많은 것들을 예약하면서 그러면 된 것 같습니다.